Hello! Yay! So I'm back and I have still my eyebrow come on. I'm going to put on a new brow. Yes, so let's get into it. So I zoomed in into my eyebrow and I'm going to put a new brow, and I'm using the 312 detail liner from Zoeva. It's like a small winged liner brush. I don't like to use big brushes for this step. Just for filling in it's good, but because I'm going to be very detailed, I'm going to need a very small brush. And I'm using a gray eyeshadow. I don't use black eyeshadows on my eyebrows because it won't look good. It's like too harsh. So I'm using like a gray, light gray, dark gray eyeshadow because it looks better than just straight up black. I used to use black gel liner and that was like, wow, that was a brow, but I'm going for a natural look. I'm starting like in the front, and my the hairs I still have left that I didn't cover help me to guide me, and I'm starting like right down like I would normally do with my normal eyebrow, like with this eyebrow. Start at the bottom and go up, and I'm using like really small strokes. We can clean up later. I will clean up later, but for now. And then I'm going from the top. I don't like to do like a little line and then do a signal. I really like work my way like in the small steps. Top and bottom, top and bottom, top and bottom. And I'm kind of following my natural eyebrow shape, like the curve of my eyebrow shape. I don't know how to explain it. I kind of like have like a curve here from the brow cover, and I'm just going to follow it, going like right on the line of my brow cover. That's where my brow cover ends, and I'm just going to follow that line so I can like cover, like hide the fact that I have a brow cover, and that really helps me with my arch, because I don't really like high arched eyebrows, even like in drag. Still like a more natural. I don't do this eyebrow. I don't never do like the bow eyebrow and the tail, but I always like to have a long tail. Ho, that's what she said. This is my eyebrow. I'm going to clean this off later. I'm going to connect the top and the bottom like I always do. And I really round this part out, and I'm really okay with this shape. To be honest, yeah, I think it's good. Look in the, yeah. Now I'm going to fill it in, and I'm going to fill it in all with like gray eyeshadow, and then I put on like black eyeshadow on like the tail to define it, to kind of like do the ombre eyebrow. So I didn't fill it in evenly, but I don't care because I like kind of the texture of uneven eyebrows, because it makes the eyebrow look more natural. Now I'm going to put on the black eyeshadow on the tail of my eyebrow to make it more realistic. So as you can see, I filled it in, put on like more dark black on this side and more like light gray on this side. And this side looks a bit crappy, but I'm going to fix it later. Now I'm going to cover my eyebrows to make them more clean and crisp. For that I'm using a cream concealer and a flat paddle brush. Mostly I don't do a brow cleanup because I'm pretty precise with it. Today I messed up. And a lot of people do like white or a really light shade of concealer foundation on this part, but I don't like that. I don't know, I don't like that. Okay, now setting the concealer so it won't budge. Next I'm going to put on some mascara on like the hairs that are still there, so they're more defined. Straight up black mascara is good. You don't need to use brown mascara. Well, I have black hair, so if you have brown hair, use brown mascara, please. Don't use black. So the next step, for the last step, actually, I'm using a brow comb. Not the spoolie, but the like metal combs. I don't know if you have this. If you don't have that, you can use like sewing needles. I use that. But I'm going to flick in so it looks more natural. So after like scratching some hairs into my brow, I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner to define the end. And if you like it, you can flick in some brow hairs. So we are done, and it doesn't look too bad. It's like, well, as you can see the difference, it's a huge difference, and you don't even need to highlight the brow one to see that it's pretty elevated. But yeah, I messed up a bit, like on the little corner, and like with the brow strokes, it wasn't too perfect for my like own liking. But it's okay because most people don't even know how to plug their eyebrows or fill in their already existing eyebrows, and I just drew a new brow. It's pretty difficult. If you want to do this, just take your time, like just have the shape of the eyebrows like in mind, like really know what you want and take your time and practice it a lot. So I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share it, and hopefully we see us next week with a foundation routine. So, tschüss!